line, and then here comes turn 10. Then it'll be to the start-finish line where they'll get the white flag for 1 lap to go. One remaining.
5 years in a row, we've sweated this thing out till 1 to go to see who's going to win. Who will come back and grab the checker?
Turn 1 on this 10-turn course.
Both these young men deserve it. It's a shame we can only have one winner. Kaz was a little bit wide there.
Remember, Cindric has to win to secure a spot in the playoffs. Looks inside. A little bit of contact possibly, but Gralla holding him off. They look so close. I'm not sure if they touched or not, but Gralla keeps the lead.
I don't see any way there isn't contact between these two trucks.
Going to be right here too, Michael.
And there is the bump.
Oh, and he spun him out.
And he spins.
You got it. Go. You're all clear. Coming to you guys. We got in the 33 just a little bit back there.
Austin Cindric with the big bump on Kaz Gralla pushes Gralla around, and Austin Cindric is going to come around for the victory.
That's the world we live in nowadays, guys. You can get your bumper to the guy in front of you, you're going to put it to him.
Great job.
He won the pole yesterday in record fashion, celebrating his 19th birthday, and today, Austin Cindric wins at Canadian Tire Motorsports Park.
All right, great job.
Doug Randolph said. Yeah, I don't think the flagman had the checker flag in his hand, even though we've completed 64 laps. Austin's not going to take any chances.
Yeah, he's waving the checkers now. Waving the checkers for sure.
I believe if I was Austin, I'd keep going anyway. Kaz is liable to be upset about getting spun out.
And he has reason to be, or not?
I mean, it's like I said, Vince, that's a difficult question to answer. I think that there's